How to track change in your projects with confidence. Learn how to use the git status command to monitor your repository states. This guide perfect for beginners and early career practitioners who want an optimized git workflow. When working on a complex project, it's easy to lose track of which files have been modified, staged, or remain untracked. That's where git status come in. This essential git command provides a clear and comprehensive snapshots of repository current states, highlighting which files have changed, what's ready to commit, and what still need attention. Whether you are resolving merge conflicts, reviewing a staged change, or ensuring nothing is left behind before a commit, get status effect offers the visibility needed to stay organized. In this guide, I will explain each sections of the git status output and discuss advanced customizations, helping you gain better control over your versions control workflow. What is git status? The git status command provides a real-time summary of the status of your git repository, specifically compare the work directory, your local files, and the staging areas, also known as the index, with the last committed snapshot. This allows you to see which files have been modified, which changed or staged and ready to commit, and which new files remain untracked. By running git status, developers can verify that the right change are being staged or committed, catched, overlooked edits, and avoid introducing incomplete updates. This is especially variable when managing multiple branches or resolving merge conflicts, as it gives precise feedbacks about what Git is tracking and what it is not. Understand how Git status reflects the interactions of the interaction between the working tree, staging areas, and repository history is key to using Git effectively and avoiding common mistakes. The diagram above illustrates the relationship between the working directory, staging area, or repository commit history, along with how Git status fit in. Unstaged, changed, modified files in your work directory show up as a change, not staged for commit. Stage changed files added to the index with appear as change to be committed. Untracked files, new files Git has not seen before, are also listed, prompting you to add them or ignore them. If you are in the middle of a merge, will also tell you about conflicts and what steps to take next.